Hello everyone. By way of introduction, I am Sanatya Singh. Today we will be discussing about bringing AI-driven human resource management softwares in for managing all activities associated with the employees throughout their entire employment life cycle with diving into it. Today's agenda will be will discuss the artificial intelligence, how it will address our HR challenges, what are some of the pros and cons which we need to weigh in before we venture ahead with these options, and then what could be the ethical issue and social responsibility which as an organization we need to take care. Now, technology has always played a role in accomplishing company goals by increasing efficiency and optimizing processes. The artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize how people interact with technology. According to a Deloitte's 2019 Global Human Capital Trend study, just 6% of the respondents said their business had the best in class recruiting procedures. And while 81% believe that their firms still their processes were ordinary or below standard. Now, today the process is very much restricted to the working hours only, and the candidates have to fill in the same data as in their resume or for recruitment, as which is one of the most talked pain points. Technology can personalize career development, improve succession planning, address skill gaps, and guide pay strategy, assisting managers, leaders, uh, managers in creating and deploying personnel, resulting in strategic advantages for the firm. Now, automated reminders, alerts are some other advantages which can be configured to help, and like e-signatures and candidate status, job recruitment status, everything could be identified easily. Let's weigh in some pros and cons. Now, because of the fast growth of the technology, the whole meaning of the work is changing, and the organization can no longer consider AI software acquisition to be a luxury. The World Economic Forum predicted that about 75 million jobs will be destroyed, while 133 million new jobs will be created just because of automation with AI. So people either must adapt or risk being obsolete. Now, using AI can improve sourcing significantly, and an organization capacity to identify the appropriate candidate at any point of time. Since it's a centralized database, it allows the candidate to be searched even after in future as well. The AI technology can help to simplify application process, creating it more user friendly, and hence it will lower the number of abundant applications. Also, uh, it will allow the rediscovery of the candidates. The onboarding process would be easier, and the process doesn't have to be limited to conventional business hours, which is the first uh, quality which we are going to get. Now, as a matter of fact, 65% of the workers are optimistic and excited and grateful about having a robot co-worker with them, and this was as an output of Oracle and Future Workspace AI global study in 2019. The there was an incident, coming to the cons. There was an incident where the Amazon's AI recruiting tool being prejudiced towards women, and it demonstrated that machine learning may replicate human beliefs. However, gender is not a uh, only factor. Age, nationality, ethnicity can have a detrimental influence on preventing organizations recruiting inclusively or diversely. But these can be resolved by having a carefully collected representative data samples, so that AI algorithm do not create this inbuilt or any other factor bias on that. Coming to the privacy can be addressed with the transparent policies and enhanced security. Investment is one place where a company has to think through about its future plans and include this AI software, uh, uh, buying of AI software to in their future plannings. Some of the ethical issues are definitely employed, including the privacy component based on monitoring discrimination issues, loss of human judgment in vital situations. Everyone likes to work without fear of being watched, and introducing equipment with recording capabilities might raise a few eyebrows definitely around the workplace. But we are going to solve it with the transparency, and it is crucial to know how employees react to these results, and so we cannot go solely based on the data driven algorithms only. The social responsibilities are also there to ensure their technologies won't harm the employees or the environment or community if it is being purchased. As a conclusion, we would like to say that uh, definitely when there is a human interaction is reduced, chances of failures would go down and productivity will increase because humans will get other avenues to work upon, and which will give a competitive edge to organization. As Darwin Griggs is dedicated to developing and implementing cutting edge technologies, we think that investing in artificial intelligence with the correct IT staff would help the firm as a whole. The time is now to invest in it. These are some of the references. Thank you.